I am with Simon, a very enthusiast of the rail and train.
I'm standing next to KimGhostStn, who is the lady in red, and you can't really miss her, to be honest.
We're here today at Acton Town because we're going to make our way to for a train ride on the very, very special 1938 stock tube.
It starts at Northfields, which we'll be heading to in a second. Then it goes to Upminster. After our break at Upminster, it goes to here at Acton Town via Raiders Lane and the Metropolitan line.
And Simon's going to be on the first part of the visit, and I'm going to be on the second part of the visit, and we're going to take you with us. So, watch the video now. Alright, and here we go.
Again, it's very unlikely.
Just smile. Oh, everyone's taking pictures. Brilliant.
So if you can be a bit careful as we get off, sure you will
Simon?
I'm alright, Kim. How are you?
I'm alright, yeah. How was it?
It was brilliant, actually. One of the best underground rail journeys I've ever been on.
Really?
It was, yes.
What was it like?
It was brilliant all the way through. It was really exciting before you even left the station at Northfields, but it was very exciting on the way up to Upminster.
Yeah, it's a beautiful train, isn't it?
It is, actually.
Really nice. What were the people like in there?
Very friendly. They were like very enjoyable. Really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and the mixture of them.
It was a bit of mix, yes.
Yeah?
There's some underground / rail enthusiasts there, and there's some like normal people there that would just want to go on the tube train for the hell of it.
Good. Because I got some lovely shots of it coming in here at Upminster and going into the depot. So yeah. Our video should look really nice.
Should do.
Yeah. So it's my turn now.
It is.
And it's your turn to run.
Well,
so,
I'll take it at a steady pace, but I'll be active before you you anyway.
Alright then, I'll see you later.
Right, see ya.
We're like,
Mummy, you've been here. You've been already. Oh, look! Look, did you see the pattern? Mummy, the patterns! Look, the patterns!
Yeah.
Can you see patterns? Check front of the train. Are you serious? Where is
right, as soon as you let your hand go and take it down, we'll be off. There you go, we're off.
Sometimes that's an ordinary track.
So the computer can't read it.
No, we're going.
Yeah, so they have to see. One of the staff is filming. That's the old box over there on the right. That white building.
So single cabin.
Yeah, cabin, yeah.
They call me young man.
Then you see Bert and Dean up there.
Oi!
Oh, you did signaller.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but he became a train man, dual train man. There's like incident.
Can I stop, please?
Yeah.
You drive a train back to where you get back.
Well, no, he goes out and investigates the incident. He's eyes and ears at the control. He's
Can you
licensed to,
stop
yeah.
the switch cottage?
Yeah.
Nathan, a little when we come out in the open, we go under again. That little bit in the open, that's what's got.
68.
Hello again. So how was your journey then?
Oh my, giddy on. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it was just like, I can't stop smiling.
I know that's what I felt like as well. So was it like big people again, like underground enthusiasts and normal people again?
Yeah, it was really chilled. It was really nice. The steward was talking to us, and like, obviously I had my sons with me, and no one batted an eyelid. I thought it was going to be really stuffy and like people being really precious about their time, but it wasn't. It was time and the sort of quietness. It wasn't. It was just really chilled, and people were smiling. It was just really nice, and it was a good time as well. The 2 hours, because it wasn't too long, but it wasn't too short as well. So I mean, I think it was worth the money.
Yeah, it was. Even though mine was an hour and 20 minutes, but it's still worth the money.
Yeah, definitely.
So would you definitely do it again then?
Yeah, probably not soon, but yeah, I'll
In the near future?
Yeah, definitely. Anyway, it was a good day.
It was a good day.
Yeah. Okay then, I'm off. Bye.
Bye, see ya. I'm just going to sit here.
By totals today. Beneficial daily and weekly fare capping. use the same bank card or smartphone to touch